Everyone, in this video today we'll be covering what to do if you change your LPG bottle and none of your gas appliances in your motorhome, RV or camper van, if they all of a sudden stop working after changing the gas bottle. We'll be covering that today, so watch this video to the end. There's a lot of useful information here, and do make sure you check out the channel. I've got plenty of other videos on campers, motorhomes and RVs and all the appliances and how to diagnose things, and also do stay tuned and do check out the channel after watching this video. And we've just changed the bottle, so it's got a new full gas bottle, LPG bottle. So it's been opened over here. As you can see, the gas valve is open and the bottle is fully opened. Now we'll go inside. There's a problem with the gas flow. It's not flowing, even though this is a new bottle. So in case you encounter this, watch this video. This will help you out. When the gas doesn't flow properly, that means your gas heater won't work and your cooker as well. Basically, any gas appliance will not work properly. So as I just showed you outside, the gas bottle is fully open. This is the hot water heater, or the water heater rather. And we'll just go over here. And you can normally listen. So if you watch any of my other videos, you know that once you change the LPG bottle, you come here and then you purge the system out. But over here, with the new gas bottle fully opened, when we put the gas on, so to flow it, don't know if you heard that, it flowed a little bit. And now it just stopped. So we'll just try that again. So we'll just push that down so it activates the gas solenoid. And you can't hear anything. So normally you can hear a little bit of gas flow. So if we get the lighter here and light it, as you just saw, there's only a tiny bit of gas that's coming through. So if you encounter this problem, we'll show you the steps that you can go through to solve the problem. So this can sometimes occur with new gas bottles or full or overfilled gas bottles. So what we'll do now is we're going to go ahead and close the valve at the top here. We're just going to remove the gas valve, and then we're going to inspect in case there's any dirt or anything in there. So as you just saw and heard, that there was excessive gas flowing, and if you look over here, because LPG is usually a colder gas, you can tell it's condensed over here. So it's not flowing properly through the line and through the valve. So if you always inspect this here, just in case something has gone here, some debris or a wasp or something has tried making a nest there, if it's blocking anything. Likewise this side as well, always inspect it and make sure the gas valve and everything is clean in this area, which it is now. So you just heard that build up, so now we'll just wait some time, make sure there's nothing flammable around this area. Let all the gas escape from this area. Give it about 2 minutes and then we'll reconnect the gas valve and then retest the system. So now we're just reconnecting the gas valve. There are alternative ways where you can actually close this gas valve, open up the bottle and then slowly open this up to allow the gas to flow properly, and then you purge it out through the internal system. But we're just trying out the easy way because not everyone has access to one of these valves on their LPG tanks. Now we'll go back inside. So now we'll go ahead and activate the gas cooker just so the gas will flow. So as you just heard, we have the same scenario again. So when we turned it, so gas came through the line, but again it just came a little bit and then it just went off. So it's not flowing, as you can see, so it's not igniting. So the simplest test now you can do is, if you're unsure and you just want to simplify things, just replace the bottle with another one if you got one, and then just test and see if it works with that. Again, you just heard it. So there's definitely a problem with this gas bottle. So we've got a replacement one over here. So now how you can tell that the gas bottle is overfilled, there's normally a stamp or data plate on these bottles. So this is your tare weight and you can follow the weights here. So as you can see here, the empty weight is normally about 5.3 kgs. So we've got a luggage scale here, so we'll just weigh it. And over here at the bottom, you can see when it's full, it should be about 9.5. Likewise on this new bottle over here, similar scenario. So it's 5.5 is the empty weight and it's about 9.6 when it's full. So we'll go ahead and just measure that bottle that's got the problem. And as you can see, it's overfilled by nearly 1 kg, so that means there's excessive pressure in there. So we'll go ahead and weigh the replacement bottle. So as you can see, this one's perfect as per the manufacturer spec. So we'll go ahead and install this bottle in there. So exactly the same scenario. We're not opened any valve or anything. It's exactly the same. We just screwed on the gas valve and we're just going to open it at the top. Whenever you change a bottle, make sure you do a soap test as well. So just spray a little bit of soap around the area. If you see any air bubbles, then you know there's a gas leak. So that's a good tip I can give you. So we're back in the camper now, and we'll go ahead and try the same procedure now with the replacement bottle. So hopefully you can hear that the gas is flowing well now. So whenever, if there's a buildup of gas, make sure you vent out the whole area before using lighter or anything similar. Hence why the door is open now. So now we'll go ahead and just light it. And as you can see, it's working perfectly now. So if you ever encounter this problem where your Truma or Suburban water heater is not working and it keeps on coming up with the red light, this can be one of the main problems if you've just changed the bottle and you've encountered this issue. So follow the steps that we showed you in this video. So over here now it's perfect. Before, the red light kept coming on, and that was due to the gas bottle being overfilled. And the simple test on how we did it with just a simple gas cooker, just to ensure the gas is flowing. So if you're ever in need of more advice or you need any other help for any other campers, just go to my channel. I've got plenty of other videos. I've got videos on how to diagnose these Truma water heaters and the late model ones as well, the combi ones, and I've also covered the Suburban heaters and a lot of other camper and motorhome and RV content. So as you just saw, that was a simple fix in this scenario. You don't need any fancy tools or anything if you follow this video as I showed you. So we're lucky in this instance where we didn't have to go further into diagnostic or anything like that. So these are the simple procedures that most people can do at home just to determine if there is a fault or not and where the fault is. So I hope this video was of some help to you. Like I said, do check out the channel. I've got plenty of other videos and troubleshooting guides which will be helpful to you and fellow friends and family. So thanks for watching, everyone.